Good evening and welcome to Tucker Middle School's open house for the 2019-2020 school year. My name is Dr. Kathy Cunningham and I've been the principal here at Tucker Middle School for the past 11 years. At Tucker, we believe that the standard for every staff member, for every lesson, and for every interaction with your child should be this: is it good enough for my own child? Our primary focus at Tucker is to help all students learn at high levels and also to keep our staff and students safe at all times. High levels of learning are evidenced in our becoming the second middle school in the DeKalb County school system to become an international baccalaureate school, and the first middle school in the state of Georgia to become STEM certified. Safety is also paramount at Tucker Middle, as we are a PBIS, Positive Behavior Interventions and Support School. Additionally, we are proud that our school climate rating on the CCRPI is a 5-star rating. Additionally, each grade level has its own administrator. The 6th grade, Dr. Baker, 7th grade, Mr. Jeffrey, 8th grade, Mr. Smith, and our assistant principal of instruction is Mrs. Tanya Izzard. Each student will be issued an agenda which contains the student handbook, so please make sure that you check this out daily for assignments. The front and back covers of the agenda were designed by our very own students. Students, we want you to get involved at Tucker Middle School. There are numerous clubs, sports, and activities that you are able to participate in. And parents, we want you to join the PTA as well. Again, we welcome you to Tucker Middle School, and we look forward to serving you and your child during this 2019-2020 school year. Thank you.
Good afternoon. My name is Ashley Little. And I'm Meredith Mosley. On behalf of the PTA, we'd like to welcome you to Tucker Middle School. We would love for you to join PTA. If you'd like more information, please stop by our table or go to our website at tms-pta.weebly.com. Have a great day.
Good evening and welcome back to our 2019-20 school year. My name is Tanya Izzard and I am here to serve as your assistant principal of instruction. I look forward to working with you as well as your students this school year, and we hope that tonight you will get an opportunity to meet some dynamic and awesome teachers.
Good evening and welcome. My name is Eric Knapp. I am the IB and STEM coordinator here at Tucker Middle School. I want to take just a minute and run through a couple things that I think you should know as you come into Tucker Middle School regarding IB and STEM. Let's talk about IB first. IB, or the International Baccalaureate Program, is a continuum of international education starting in elementary school and going all the way through high school. So our MYP, or Middle Years Program, connects the elementary experience to the high school program or the diploma program, which students can continue into if they choose at Tucker High School. So there's a couple things about the Middle Years Program that make it special. First of all students at Tucker Middle School are a part of the Middle Years Program. So the expectations that I'm about to go over, as well as the opportunities, apply to all students at Tucker Middle School. All students are expected to take two languages. So they may study their native language as well as an additional foreign language. Tucker Middle School offers French and Spanish in addition to English. Another thing to note is that students are expected to complete 10 hours of volunteer service throughout the year. Opportunities will be provided through the IB program as well as through clubs and sporting teams. Additionally, students are encouraged to find their own opportunities outside of the school that connect more to their own personal passions and interests or closer to where they live. Following that, we have the projects. So there are a couple different projects that are unique to the MYP experience. Within the Middle Years Program, all students are expected to complete an investigative research project in their Individuals and Societies class, as well as a project in their Sciences class. This is for 6th grade, 7th grade, and 8th grade. So they will complete 2 investigative research projects each year within that context. In the final year of the program, in their year 3 or the 8th grade year, those students will complete the community project, which is a capstone project demonstrating their skills and experiences that they have gained throughout their time in the MYP program here at Tucker Middle School. For the community project, students will identify an issue within their local community and develop a solution for that issue before implementing it, documenting what they've done, and ultimately reflecting and analyzing the impact of that solution. They'll do this through an essay as well as participating in the community project showcase at the end of the year. So this project is year-long, is completed by all students. It may be done individually or in groups up to 3. Not all students, but all 8th grade students will complete this project. So those are some of the notable pieces of the IB program here at Tucker Middle School. All right, let's talk about STEM. STEM stands for science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. STEM is built on the idea that these 4 areas should be taught together in an integrated fashion. Our Tucker Middle School STEM program seeks to expose students to STEM careers, equip them with the skills needed to be successful in these careers, and engage students in solving the problems of today and tomorrow. Students within our STEM program will take the highest level of mathematics offered at that grade level, as well as a custom technology and engineering design course created for students in the program. In order to be in the program, students must apply and be selected during our selection process that takes place in the months of January and February. Students who are not in the STEM program can still participate in several STEM opportunities at our school, including after-school clubs and in-school experiences. If you have any other questions or would like to know more information about the STEM program or the IB program, please feel free to find me and talk to me this evening or contact me at any point in time during the school year.
The purpose for tonight is for you to get an opportunity to meet with each of your students' teachers. You have been provided with a schedule, and you can follow it in any order that you choose. Again, welcome to Tucker Middle School. I look forward to working with each and every one of you. And at this time, you are free to go and meet with your teachers.